Welcome to our look at industry-specific ERP, where customization transforms how businesses succeed. Odoo stands out by replacing one-size-fits-all software with flexible, open-source modules tailored to what your business really needs. Forget generic solutions. Odoo is built to fit your workflows, helping organizations get more from digital transformation. Let's see why having software built for your industry is more valuable than ever. We've all worked with software that forced us into awkward workarounds. With industry-specific ERP, every feature is there for a reason. Speeding up training, matching real processes, and making compliance painless. The result? Teams work faster, errors drop, and users actually like their ERP. So, how does Odoo make all this work? It's all about the modular framework. What powers Odoo's flexibility? Its modular structure. Core apps manage everyday tasks, while vertical solutions zero in on what makes your industry unique. Need a different setup for manufacturing versus retail? Just add the modules you need, like shop floor controls or advanced scheduling, and stay in control of your costs and growth. But what if you need something even more specific? That's where custom modules shine. Not every business fits into a template. That's where custom module development comes in. Odoo lets you fill gaps with bespoke modules, like automating reports, handling local rules, or integrating special tools. Building these modules means mapping how you work, getting feedback, and always thinking ahead for future updates and staff training. Curious about real-world impact? Let's look at some proven results. Odoo customization isn't theory. It delivers measurable results. Manufacturers are reducing costs with automated scheduling and real-time control. Retailers optimize every sale channel and boost loyalty in one unified platform. The key? Take time to understand your pain points, set clear goals, and partner with Odoo experts. That's how you unlock efficiency and pull ahead of the competition. Thanks for watching. Ready to see how industry-specific Odoo can help your business? Reach out today and let's take the next step together. Link in description. Thank you.